Welcome to the Ultimate Review YouTube channel. In this video, we will look at the top 5 best upright vacuum cleaner available on the market. We will consider their product features and values with possible. If you want more information and an update on the products mentioned, check these links in the description. Number 5. Kenmore Vacuum Cleaner. Lightweight. At under 12 ohms. This full-sized upright goes anywhere with ease. Lift-up technology. Quickly transition to a lightweight pod for stairs and above floor cleaning. Completely sealed air path. The HEPA filtration system lets you know the vacuum traps 99.97% of dust down to 0.3 microns inside your vacuum, keeping them out of the air you breathe. Extended reach. 9 of hose reach for all of your hard-to-access cleaning. Swivel plus LED headlight. Maneuver around corners and furniture seamlessly, leaving dirt nowhere to hide. 2 motor system. Powerful deep cleaning on bare floors, carpet and more. Powerful suction. Removes ground and dirt from carpets, and powerfully cleans hard floors, stairs, and more. Number 4. Black Plus Decker Vacuum Cleaner. Cyclonic action. Rapidly spins debris away from filters so suction power stays stronger, longer. Powerful motor and unlimited runtime. Powerful 1200-watt motor can be operated continuously and reliably with plug-in power. No charging or replacement batteries required. Large capacity and washable HEPA filter. Empty less often with large 2-liter bagless dustbin. Washable dustbin and anti-allergen HEPA filter for low maintenance cost and thorough cleaning. 5 position carpet height settings. 5 different position settings to get optimal cleaning whether you are vacuuming deep shag carpet or hardwood floors. Lightweight for easy maneuverability. Clean everyday messes on multiple surfaces with agile maneuverability. Powerful motor with unlimited runtime. Powerful 1200-watt motor can be operated continuously and reliably with plug-in power. No charging or replacement batteries required. Cyclonic action. Rapidly spins debris away from filter so suction power stays stronger, longer. Number 3. Bissell Vacuum Cleaner. Multi-surface cleaning. Easily clean across carpet and hard floors. Plus, no need to worry about debris scattering on hard floors. CleanView Swivel Rewind Pet Scatter Free Technology. Triple action brush roll plus scatter free technology maximize pet hair pickup, even if it's embedded. Automatic cord rewind. Cord wraps itself with the push of a button. Swivel steering. Makes cleaning around furniture and obstacles easy. Easy empty dirt tank. Emptying this dirt tank is as easy as pushing a button, so you don't have to touch the yuck. 27 power cord automatically rewinds for quick and easy storage. Cleaning path with 13.5-inch. Pet hair corner tool. Clean up dust and annoying pet hair that gathers in the corners around your home. Extension wand. Reach farther while cleaning with the included extension wand. Pair it with the dusting brush, pet turbo racer, and other included tools to clean tricky spots around your home. Number 2. Shark Vacuum Cleaner. Dependable power for the whole home. Deep clean carpets, tackle hard floors, take on above floor messes with the detachable lift away pod. This upright vacuum cleaner delivers powerful cleaning on floors and everywhere else. Deep clean carpets, powerful suction on floors, tackle embedded dirt and debris on thick carpets, or easily switch to hard floor mode for incredible multi-surface cleaning. Lift away to clean stairs. Lift away the detachable pod for lightweight cleaning on stairs. Above floor reach. Lift away the pod for lightweight, above floor cleaning. Lightweight maneuverability. Equipped with advanced swivel steering. This navigator provides excellent control when maneuvering around furniture and other obstacles. XL Dust Cup Capacity. A bagless XL Dust Cup gives you extended cleaning to take on the whole home with less interruption. Number 1. Hoover Vacuum Cleaner. Perfect for pets. Multi-purpose pet tools tackle stubborn pet hair and dirt on furniture, stairs, and hard-to-reach areas. Wattage 1,320 watts. Sealed allergen with HEPA media filtration. Captures and contains 99% of dust and allergens with an odor-minimizing filter to prevent them from re-entering the air. Powerful cleaning on all floors. Simply steer around furniture and into tight spaces on carpet and hard floors using the on-off brush roll to leave no mess behind. XL Dirt Cup. A large, easy, empty dirt cup means less trips to the trash for a more convenient clean. Runs like new freaks longer. The Enhanced Max Life system delivers longer-lasting suction to maintain peak performance without regular filter maintenance. If you want to buy this product, please check the comment or description link.